Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing all these that I got from Temu. Temu is an online shop where you can buy various kind of things from clothes, shoes, home decorations, different kind of things, and even kitchen items. So I decided to get some things from Temu. I don't know if you have ever tried Temu before. If you haven't, just give it a try. Let us unbox all the things that I've got, and I'm going to be showing you guys the picture of the prices that I bought each and every one of it. So let's unbox. This one, I don't know what's inside here. It's the washing machine cleaner, so you can put it in your washing machine, and the instruction is there. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be leaving the amount and the picture, so in case if you want to get them, you will know how much it is. I also got this mini printer. I hope you guys can see it, so let me show you how it looks like inside. So I got it. You can use it to print photos from your phone to here. But why I actually got it, there's a manual here, instructions on how you can use it. And you also have a USB code for it. But I got it so I can use it to label, because you can also use it to print a label for your items. So that's the reason why I bought it. It looks so cute. Okay. This one is fragile. So this is for my bean cake, that's for my moi moi. I'm going to bring it out. This is a pack of 6. I think I bought an extra one to make it pack of 10. I love the different colors. I think what attracted me was the colors. Yeah, so I got this from Temu just to make my moi moi or any kind of pudding. Yeah, so this is it. It's 6 inside, different colors. That's the red, and that's the blue color. And also the same thing as well here. Okay, so I got this. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna bring it out. I got it because my kids always put their ties, their belts every other place. So I decided to buy different colors so they can keep each one. I'm going to show you guys, like I mentioned, how it's like. So you're going to put it like this, and you hang it somewhere. You can put your tie, your belt, even your shoelace, anything. So I got 4 of this. This is it. This is toothpick holder, so I can put toothpick inside. And there's a teddy bear on top it, and there's a screw that you can screw the teddy bear on. So this is how it will look like. I got some black gloves. I want to believe how many is inside. I thought it was going to come with a box, but it didn't come with a box. So I'm going to put it in another container. So this is it. That's a medium size gloves that I got. And this is 40 pieces. I also got this sponge for my boy, just to use to wash his back, because I feel his hand doesn't really get to his back. So I got this. I bought another one because have you guys ever noticed that kids do spoil their sponge a lot? So I decided to buy more. This has a sponge in front and the brush at the back. This, when I was buying it, my husband was like, don't you just go to the stores and get it? Why are you buying it from Temu? What if it comes and it's very small, it's for teddy bears? But it suits the hand, so that is it. I got measuring tape, and I like how it is, though it's small, but it looks cool, right? Yeah, so I got this measuring tape. I don't know what's inside here. I got a lot of things. Okay. I would use it to keep things in the fridge, like bacon, salami. I put some bacon inside here, and I can put some salami inside and some other thing, and you just 3 in 1, and you just label them, and I'll put them in the fridge. So let's see what's inside. so you can put your eggs on it. You also help to save space from your fridge. Another one, my kids have opened this. These are bottles. There are 4 inside. Hold on. There are 4 bottles inside. You can pour your juice, milk, anything. This is how it looks like. So there are 4 of it in this box. I don't need to bring all of them out, but there are 4. When you make some fresh juice as well, you can use it to put it in. Another box, a bigger one. Let's open and see what's inside as well. Okay, I bought the pots. So I got this first from Temu. Looks good. You can actually enter your phone and some few makeup. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to show you guys how much I got this. Oh man, one of the plates is broken. I told you guys that I bought another additional plate of moi moi. It's broken, but yeah, this is 4-piece, and I think 2 is broken out of it. Yeah, so I'm going to show it to them and tell them that it's broken. I don't know what's inside here. Let's see what's inside. I actually like shopping with Temu, but not everything, because there are some things you can get in Temu, you won't like them, but there are some things that you buy from Temu, you will enjoy it. So I mix Temu and Shein together when I want to shop online. So I got this bucket. Oh my god, it's very small. Woo! I thought it was going to be bigger. Yeah. I'm going to show you how it looks like. That made me bought it, but hey, it's very small. I don't know what's this. It was supposed to be used water one side and rinse from the other side. That's actually why I bought it. Although it's very small, but I'm going to use it like that. These are just hairband. I think it's 50 inside, but they are bigger to tie hair. So I got this as well. I also got this. I don't know what's inside, but let's see. So while we are opening this, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, follow me on Facebook, Niger Mom in Australia, and TikTok. So I love this glass. I've seen a lot of food content creators using this, and I decided to buy. This is how it looks like. There's 4 of it here. I thought it was going to come with a straw, but it didn't come with a straw, so I'm going to buy a straw for it. So these are the designs that I pick, and there are 4 inside. I also got myself a top. So this is the top here. This is how it looks like, and you will be seeing the amount I bought it somewhere here. Final one. A lot of unboxing. Sorry guys. I just ordered them once and for all. I'm also expecting 2 more bags to come, so let's see what's inside this one. This is, I'm not gonna set it now, but I think I got it for my daughter because she puts all her cream and everything every other place, so I decided to get this for her so she can learn how to organize her room. I also got this. Okay, so this is a toothbrush hanger. This is for the paste, and this is like a cup. The photo, you guys will see what it looks like. So I'm kind of bending down to clean. So I decided to buy this. Let us open so you see. This is the handle. It has different head, so you can just fix them head according to what you want to wash. You can change it. You can fix another one just like that. It has a sponge. It has another head. So for different corners of the house, they have different things. And it has a USB charger to charge it as well. And also a manual on how to use it. And this is electronic cleaning brush just to make cleaning easier. So these are all the things I got from Temu. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever used Temu. What are your experiences purchasing something from Temu? I would like to know in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video till the end. And if you find it useful, kindly share, like, and subscribe. It is free of charge. Till I see you next time. Bye.